Okay, the question 17 is about perform the row operations on the given augmented matrix. So the augmented matrix is given. Yes, given also the row operation I need to do. Let's do it by hand and check it with the calculator. Let's do it in the first one. Let's do it negative 4R1 plus R2 storage in R2. So the notation is the lowercase indicate row 1, but the original row 1. This is row 1, this is row 2, and this is row 3. And the capital letter indicate the new one. Suppose, let me copy. The factor is negative 4. Let me copy 4 times. And you multiply by each element in the row 1. In the row 1 we have 1, negative 3, negative 5, and negative 2. Okay, these are this row. Okay, plus the element in the row 2. Row 2 is this. They are 4, negative 5, negative 4, and positive 5. And the answer is negative 4 plus 4 is 0. 12 minus 5 is 7. 20 minus 4 16. And 8 plus 5 13. And this new number you store in the new row 2. So you write the new matrix. Okay, for example, row number 1 stays the same. I use it, but I never touch. Row 3 stays the same. But row 2 change. Now it's 0, it's 7, it's 16, it's 13. Okay, and this is our new matrix. And now let me try to check in this answer using calculator. Okay, in the calculator, on the calculator, clear everything. You go to the environment, working with the matrix is this key, second matrix, and you go to edition, and you edit, for example, the first one, which is matrix A. Okay, the dimension of this matrix is 3 by 4, 3 row and 4 column. And the number inside are 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2, 4, negative 5, negative 4, 5, 3, 5, 4, and 6. When you finish the addition, you go to the home screen, press second mode, and you ask for the matrix. Again, second matrix, matrix A, and this is matrix A. Now this was the addition. You compare this matrix and our matrix. Perfect, no? Okay, let's perform then this row operation. Okay, again we go to the matrix, but you go to the mathematics of the matrix and you select the option after row plus. After is multiplication, row plus is multiplication by the factor and addition. Okay, this is the row operation in our calculator. You press enter and you put the factor first, it's -4, comma, the matrix that we want to work is the matrix A. You select second matrix A, comma, the matrix you multiply by the factor is number 1, comma, and the matrix where you want to store the row, sorry, you want to store is 2, and close the parenthesis. And this is the answer: 0, 7, 16, 13. So we continue working another row operation, 2 more. So this partial answer I store, for example, store in the matrix B. Okay, let's go to the next. Let's doing the second row operation is -3 R1 plus R3. I put in the row 3. Okay, again I copy -3 4 times, because we have 4 elements in each row, plus equal. I copy the element in row 1, guess 1, again it's the same thing, -3, -5, -2. In the row 3 is 3, 5, 4, and 6. Okay, this is 0 again. This is 9 positive, plus 4, plus 5, 14. 15 plus 4, 19. And this is 6 plus 6, 12. And this new information I store in the row number 3. So number 1 stay the same, number 2 stay the same, but the number 3 change. Now it's 0, 14, 19, and 12. Okay, let's do this row operation using the calculator. The calculator, you go to the second matrix, go to the Mathematica, option F. Option F is after row plus. The factor in this case is -3, comma. The matrix we're using in this case is the matrix B, comma. The row that you want to multiply by -3 is the row 1, number 1, comma. The row when you store the information is 3, and close the parenthesis. The answer is 0, 14, 19, and 12. Exactly like this. Okay, let me store these in the matrix C for the last calculation. Okay, let's continue. Now the last row operation is 4 R2 plus R3 store in the row 3. Okay, 4, 4, 4, and 4, parentheses, plus, parentheses, and the element in row 2 is 0, 7, so I copy this, 0, 7, 16, and 13. And the row 3 is this element, is 0, 14, 19, and 12. I compute. This is 0. This is 4 times 7 is 28, plus 14 is 42. 16 times 4 is 64, plus 19 is 83. 83. 13 is 52, plus 12 is 64. And this new number you store in the matrix. And in the row number 3. So 1, negative 3, negative 5, negative 2 stay the same, 0, 7, 16, 13, and this is 0, 42, 83, and 64. Let's do in this operation use the calculator. In the calculator I store in C. Okay, now I go to second matrix, Mathematica, option F, the factor is 4, comma, matrix C, alpha matrix, select C, comma, 2 is the row that you multiply, comma 3 is the row that you store. And the answer is, in the row 3 is 0, 42, 83, and 64. And this is the answer. Okay, question 18 is similar. It's again, on this matrix, you perform this row operation. Okay, let's organize. This is the first one. 3 R1 plus R2 store in R2. Copy 3 4 times. Parentheses plus the element in the row 2. Row 1 is 1, 2, negative 3, and 4. This is row 1. And row 2 is negative 3, negative 5, 8, and 10. The row 2 is this row. Okay. Now let's do the operation. The operation is 0. This is 6 minus 5 is 1. This is negative 9 plus 8 is negative 1. And this is 12. This is minus here. And minus 10 is 2. And the new matrix then is 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 2, 0, negative 1, 4. And the new row 2 is 0, 1, negative 1, and 2. Let's do it using the calculator. Okay, using the calculator, let's go to the addition first. So second matrix, addition, and we have the matrix A is 3 by 4, 3 by 4 stays the same, but the number is different. It's 1, it's 2, it's negative 3, it's 4, it's negative 3, it's negative 5, it's 8, it's negative 10, it's 2, it's 0, it's negative 1, and 4. Okay, let me check it. Come back to the home screen. Second mode, ask for the matrix A. I'm checking the number. 1, 2, negative 3, 4, negative 3, negative 5, 8, negative 10, 2, 0, negative 1, and 4. Perfect. Now let's perform the first row operation. Second matrix, select math, option F. This one. The parameter of the parameter que have this function have 4 parameters. The first one is the factor, que es 3, comma. The second is the matrix associate, que is matrix A, comma. The number of the row you want to multiply is 1, comma. The second row is when you want to store the information. What is the answer? 0, 1, negative 1, 2. Perfect. And you store in the second matrix is B. This is B, matrix, select B. Okay, this is a partial, so I want to use it in the second part. So in the second part, we have minus 2 R1 plus R3 stored in the new R3. So minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Plus equal. Row 1 is 1, 2, negative 3, and 4. That's exactly the same. Row 3 is 2, 0, 2, 0, negative 1, 4. Okay. So this is 0, this is negative 4, this is 5, and this is minus 4. And the new matrix, in this case, is okay, 1, 2, negative 3, 4, 0, 1, negative 1, 2, stays the same. However, this chain is 0, minus 4, 5, and negative 4. Let's do it using the calculator. Clear. Second matrix, math, row operation, option F. The factor is negative 2, comma, second matrix, select B, comma, 1, comma, 3. And this is the answer, 0, negative 4, 5, and negative 4. Perfect. Okay, and you store in matrix C for the last step. C. Good. Okay, the last step. The row operation, the last row operation is for R2 plus R3 storing R3. S4 parentheses plus parentheses. Okay. Equal. Row 2 is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, negative 1, and 2. And row 3 is 0, negative 4, 5, and negative 4. So we have 0, the answer. We have 0 again, because 4 and negative 4 is 0. And we have 1 here, positive 1, and here we have 4, because it's 8 minus 4 is 4. And so the new matrix is 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 0, 1, negative 1, 2. In the last row we have 0, 0, 1, and 4. Perfect. Let me see. Let me check it with the calculator. Okay, clear everything. Now I perform second matrix Mathematica-8F. The syntax is the factors 4, comma, the matrix now is C, matrix C. A comma 2, comma 3, and close the parenthesis. And the answer is in the row number 3, 0, 0, 1, and 4, exactly the same. Confirmation. This is perfect.